Future of graphic design 10 years ago, if you asked a designer, what will design look like in the future? Their answer would have been, maybe print will reduce a bit, digital will increase. But no one thought that one day you'd simply type a line, make me a logo for a coffee brand, and a design would be ready in seconds. That day is here today. And if you're learning graphic design or already in this field, one question must be on your mind. Will this field remain just as valuable in the next 5-10 years? Will AI take our jobs? And if I'm investing in this field right now, is it the right decision? Today in this video, we'll discuss exactly this. What does the future of graphic design look like? What trends are coming? And most importantly, how do you prepare yourself so that you don't just survive this future, but lead it? Trend 1. AI-assisted design will become normal, the first and biggest change already happening. AI tools integrating into the design process. In the coming years, designing with AI won't be an extra skill. It'll become as normal as using Photoshop is today. Meaning, just like every designer knows Photoshop or Illustrator today, in the future, every designer will know how to prompt AI tools, how to refine their output, and how to fit them into their workflow. Those who learn this skill now will get a big head start. Here's an important thing to understand. AI isn't becoming a replacement for the designer, but a new starting point. Earlier, the designer started from a blank canvas. Now they'll start from an AI-generated draft and refine it according to their own creativity, taste, and the client's needs. Trend 2. Hyperpersonalization. In the future, design won't be a one design for everyone approach anymore. Companies now want every user to get a customized visual experience for them. For example, the banner an e-commerce app shows you might be different from what it shows another user based on their preferences and behavior. All of this gets generated automatically through AI in data. This means the designer's role will change. Now, the designer won't just create one final design, but will build a system that can automatically generate multiple variations. This is why design systems and component-based thinking are becoming a very important skill for the future. Trend 3. Immersive and 3D design will grow. You must have noticed that instead of flat 2D designs, 3D elements, depth and realistic textures are now trending, whether it's app icons, website hero sections, or social media graphics. And as AR and VR technology becomes mainstream, designers will also need to learn spatial design, meaning design won't just be for a flat screen anymore, but will need to be created for 3D space too. Designers who are learning 3D tools like Blender or Maya right now will have a big advantage in the future. Trend 4. No code and easy-to-use tools will increase. Tools like Canva have already shown that design is no longer limited to just professional designers. Any business owner or student can create their own basic design. This trend will accelerate further. This doesn't mean the demand for professional designers will end, rather, the price for basic, template-based design work will decrease, and the value of high-level strategic design, branding, and creative direction will increase even more. That's why, in the future, only those designers who don't stay limited to just execution, but also learn strategy, storytelling, and brand thinking, will survive and grow. Trend 5. Motion and interactive design will play a big role. The demand for static designs is gradually decreasing, and the demand for motion, animation, and interactive elements is increasing. Websites, apps, social media, and movement and interactivity are now expected everywhere. That's why for future designers, static design skills alone won't be enough. Basic motion graphics, micro-interactions, and animation principles, knowledge is becoming a must-have skill. So will designers no longer be needed? This is the most common fear that comes to every designer's mind. But the truth is, whenever a new tool or technology comes along, it doesn't eliminate the old work, it changes the way that work is done. Just like before Photoshop came along, designers made designs by hand. Photoshop didn't end their work, it made them more powerful. Similarly, AI won't end designers' work either. Rather, designers who learn to use AI will move ahead of designers who don't. The one thing that can never be automated is the taste, judgment, and emotional connection. I can give you 1,000 options, but deciding which option aligns best with the client's brand values, which design will emotionally touch the audience, that will remain a human job, always. How to prepare yourself for the future. If you're already in this field or want to enter it, Here are some things you should start right now. First, start learning AI tools, whether it's Midjourney, Adobe Firefly, or any other. Practice using them in your workflow so that when the industry fully shifts, you're already ahead. Second, learn not just execution, but strategy too. Brand thinking, storytelling, and understanding the client's business problems. These skills will turn you from just a designer into a creative problem solver whose demand will never decrease. Third, learn motion and 3D basics. As we discussed, the future will be interactive and immersive, so these skills will give you an edge. And fourth, develop your personal style. No matter how advanced AI gets, a unique creative voice that's only yours, that will always remain valuable. Conclusion. So friends, the future of graphic design isn't ending, it's evolving. Those who see change as something to fear will fall behind, but those who see it as an opportunity and keep learning new tools, new skills, for them this field is becoming even more exciting and profitable than before. If you found this video helpful, make sure to follow the channel so that in upcoming videos we can cover each of these trends in more depth, especially with practical use cases of AI tools.